Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we want to create a quick in-depth review about this website called TorGuard. So let's get started. TorGuard is like a disguise for your internet activity. It hides your IP address and make you anonymous online. This means nobody can see what you are doing or what website you visit. TorGuard offer a different VPN protocol like other type of secure tunnel for your internet connection. So talking about the top features and the best features for this platform, TorGuard is more than a VPN. It offers you a full suite of privacy and security tools to keep your data safe and online or your online experience activities hidden. So let's look at some of the best of these features that makes this platform stand out. So one of these best features that makes this platform stand out is comes with a VPN, a privacy network, then a proxy server together with a cloud-based network, and the VPS hosting together with a private mall. Now talking about the pricing plan, we have an anonymous plan. We also have a pro plan together with a business plan and the anonymous email plan. So you can also get back to the website to check out the price for each plan and the key features assigned to each plan to help you decide which plan would be a better option for you. Now talking about the pros and the cons about this platform, it is good to understand the good side and the bad side of a particular VPN before diving into it. So I'm just going to quick review this good side of this VPN together with the bad side. So picking the good side first, it comes with a strong encryption protocol, many server locations as well. It comes with many server locations, also allow torrenting, and the app for various devices also come with a stay out VPN features. Now talking about the downside, which is inconsistent speed, limited split tunneling, and no browser extension, and also not the best for streaming. So this particular VPN is not good for streaming, so avoid it. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. Thanks.